So here is the vacuum. I can put this for short vacuum. This is pretty short, so I'm gonna take it off and use the longer one. This, and I'm gonna attach the top part or the lower part. There you go. The strength, I would say, is good for floors and tiles, not for carpet. The switch for high or low vacuum is on the top. So you guys can see, there's only two modes, low or high. That's it. Let's see if it's gonna suck this paper. Nah, I'm gonna remove the top part then. There you go. By the way, the neck can be pulled for long or short. And there are several attachments for the top or the lower part. Small vacuum, big vacuum, nozzle. So I'm just gonna quick run the vacuum on our tiles in the kitchen. Just a quick vacuum. Can you look at that? Just a short area on the kitchen. Look at the dirt.